In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and apply new fonts to your Google Slides presentation, providing a personalized and unique style to your slides. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this effortlessly. First, ensure your Google Slides presentation is open and ready. This is your canvas, where you'll be making creative changes to text elements. Start by locating the text box that you want to adjust. You can also just select the specific text if you prefer. Once you've highlighted the text or chosen the text box, focus your attention on the toolbar above. Here, you're going to see the Font dropdown. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the list of fonts available to you. At first glance, you may notice these are the system standard fonts. To expand this selection, direct your attention to the top of the drop-down menu and select More Fonts. This More Fonts window is where the magic happens. You now have access to a broader spectrum of font choices. If you're looking for a specific font by name, use the search box at the top. This is particularly useful if you have a certain style in mind. Additionally, the filters on the left side labeled Scripts, Show, and Sort allow you to narrow down your options. Use these filters to categorize fonts based on language scripts, style preferences such as serif or sans serif, handwriting, or even their popularity among users. Once you've explored and identified the fonts you wish to add to your personal collection, click on them. These selected fonts appear under My Fonts on the right-hand side of the window, making it easier to keep track of your choices. After making your final selections, click OK. By doing so, these new fonts will now be part of your regular font menu, ready for you to apply. Returning to the font menu, you'll notice your newly added fonts listed among the options. Choose one of these to apply it instantly to the selected text. This simple action brings a fresh look to your presentation, tailored to your creative vision. If you're aiming for a cohesive appearance throughout your entire presentation, there's an efficient way to make this happen. Navigate to the slide menu at the top and select Edit Theme. Here in the master slide, you have the power to change the fonts for title, subtitle, and body text boxes. This adjustment will propagate across all slides in your presentation, ensuring a consistent and unified font application. And there you have it. You've effectively personalized your Google Slides with custom fonts, enriching your presentation's aesthetics and delivering your message with style. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.